The deeper you go, the stranger our planet becomes. We think we know our world, but beneath our feet lie realms of crushing pressure, eternal darkness, and bizarre life forms. From ocean trenches that could swallow Mount Everest, whole to mines that pierce the Earth's crust, we're about to explore the most extreme depths on our planet. These are places so remote, so hostile that only a handful of humans have ever laid eyes on them. Ready to take the plunge? Let's dive into the top 10 deepest places on Earth. Starting our descent at number 10, we have the Woodingdean Well in the UK. Now, a well might not sound as dramatic as an ocean trench, but don't be fooled. Dug by hand between 1858 and 1862, this thing is a staggering 392 meters, or 1,285 feet deep. That's taller than the Eiffel Tower. Workers toiled in dangerous conditions, hoping to find a stable water source for a new workhouse. It remains the deepest hand-dug well in the world, a testament to sheer human determination and grit. For number 9, we travel to Lake Baikal in Siberia, Russia. This isn't just any lake. It's a natural wonder of superlatives. It's the world's largest freshwater lake by volume, containing more water than all of North America's Great Lakes combined. More importantly for our list, it's the deepest lake on the planet, reaching a depth of 1,642 meters, or just over a mile deep. Its basin is so profound that it holds secrets of ancient ecosystems and unique species, like the Baikal seal, the only exclusively freshwater seal in the world. It's a freshwater ocean hidden in the heart of Siberia. Now, let's venture underground for number 8, Kribera Cave, in the nation of Georgia. Known as the Everest of the Caves, this is the second deepest known cave on Earth. Explorers have mapped it to an astonishing depth of 2,197 meters, or about 7,208 feet. Caving, or speleology, is not for the faint of heart. It's a grueling journey through tight squeezes, underground rivers, and massive vertical shafts, all in complete darkness. Kribera is a subterranean world, a labyrinth that continues to challenge the limits of human exploration. Staying underground for number 7, we're heading to the Mponeng Gold Mine in South Africa. This is the deepest mine in the world, a man-made abyss plunging over 4 kilometers, or about 2.5 miles, into the Earth's crust. The journey to the bottom takes over an hour. Down there, the rock face temperature can reach a scorching 66 degrees Celsius, or 151 Fahrenheit. Massive refrigeration systems are needed to pump cool air to the miners. It's an engineering marvel, a city built deep within the earth, all in the pursuit of gold. It's so deep scientists even discovered a completely independent ecosystem of bacteria living off radioactive rocks. Breaking the surface again for number 6, we head to the Puerto Rico Trench. Located on the boundary between the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean, this is the deepest point in the entire Atlantic. The trench's deepest point, known as the Milwaukee Deep, plunges to 8,376 meters, or over 27,000 feet. If you were to drop Mount Everest into this trench, its peak would still be submerged by over a kilometer of water. This area is also seismically active, posing a significant tsunami risk to the Caribbean islands. It's a powerful reminder of the immense tectonic forces shaping our planet. For our top 5, we enter the realm of the truly hadal, the deepest parts of our oceans. At number 5 is the Izu-Ogasawara Trench, south of Japan. This trench reaches a depth of 9,780 meters, or about 32,000 feet. It's a key part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, a hotbed of volcanic and seismic activity. In 2022, scientists filmed the deepest fish ever recorded here, a type of snailfish, swimming serenely at a depth of over 8.3 kilometers. The pressure there is immense, over 800 times greater than at the surface, yet life, impossibly, finds a way. At number 4, we have the Kermadec Trench, located off the northeast coast of New Zealand. This trench is another colossal feature of the Pacific seafloor, dropping down to 10,047 meters, or nearly 33,000 feet. It's a place of extreme geological activity where the Pacific Plate is being forced under the Indo-Australian Plate. This process, called subduction, creates some of the most dramatic and least understood environments on our planet. Exploring these trenches is like visiting another world, with unique creatures adapted to a life of total darkness and crushing pressure. We're in the top 3, and the depths are becoming almost unimaginable. Number 3 is the Tonga Trench, a neighbor to the Kermadec Trench in the South Pacific. It is the second deepest trench in the world, and its deepest point, the horizon deep, bottoms out at an incredible 10,882 meters, or about 35,702 feet. What's fascinating about the Tonga Trench is the speed at which the Pacific Plate is subducting here, the fastest on Earth. Trench is literally pulling the seafloor into the Earth's mantle at a rate of up to 24 centimeters per year. It's one of the most geologically violent places on the planet. Our runner-up for the deepest place on Earth, at number 2, is the Kola Superdeep Borehole in Russia. This isn't a natural formation, but a scientific project of epic proportions. Started by the Soviets in 1970, the goal was to drill as deep as possible into the Earth's crust. They reached a staggering depth of 12,262 meters, or over 7.6 miles straight down. That's deeper than the deepest ocean trench. They had to stop because temperatures reached 180 degrees Celsius, far hotter than expected, causing the drill bits to fail. The project gave us incredible insights into the Earth's geology, but the hole itself is now welded shut, a sealed gateway to the underworld. And now, the number 1 deepest place on planet Earth, the Mariana Trench. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, east of the Mariana Islands, this is the undisputed champion of depth. Its deepest point, a small valley at its southern end, is known as the Challenger Deep. It reaches a mind-boggling depth of approximately 10,984 meters, or nearly 7 miles down. The pressure here is over 1,000 times that at sea level, equivalent to having 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of you. Only a handful of missions have ever reached the bottom. The first was in 1960 with the Trieste, and more recently, film director James Cameron made a solo dive in 2012. It's a place of perpetual darkness, near-freezing temperatures, and crushing force. Yet even here, life persists in the form of microbes and small crustaceans. The Challenger Deep is the most remote, most alien, and deepest frontier on our own planet. From hand-dug wells to the abyssal plains of the ocean, we've journeyed to the very bottom of the world. These places challenge our understanding of life and a testament to our planet's incredible extremes. What do you think is the most fascinating deep place? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the deep, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. We'll see you in the next video.